Do you want to delete your RedNote social account? Here's how to delete a RedNote account. After opening the RedNote app, make sure to log into that account, which account you want to delete. Now tap on Me at the bottom right. Here, tap on this hamburger menu and tap on Settings. Once you are in your Settings section, just tap on Account Settings. Here, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on Account Cancellation. Here, you have to tap on this first option. And now, write here your account mobile number, username, and enter here your verification code, a code you will receive to your mobile number. Just enter here the code and check this option, and then just tap on this button and follow next steps, and your RedNote social account will be deleted. Thanks for watching.